Today I'm going to teach you how to make a shape transparent in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to highlight or mark sections of your PDF documents without completely obscuring the underlying text or images. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files. Now, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays the PDFs you've worked on most recently, making it quick and easy to locate the document you need. From the list, select the PDF file where you want to add a transparent shape. With your PDF open, direct your attention to the left toolbar. This is where all the drawing and annotation tools are housed. Click on the Draw Freehand icon. You'll see several shape options appear, allowing you to choose what works best for your needs. For this tutorial, let's click on Circle. This shape is particularly effective for drawing attention to specific areas without being too intrusive. Before you actually draw the shape, you'll want to customize its appearance. Click on the color picker in the left toolbar. A menu will open up with various options. Navigate to Border, and from there, select your preferred color. The border color defines the outline of your shape, so choose something that will stand out against your document's content. Next, click the color picker again. This time, navigate to Fill and select your preferred fill color. The fill color is what will occupy the interior of your shape, so it's important to choose wisely based on what you're highlighting. Now comes the crucial part for making your shape transparent. Navigate to Opacity. You'll see a slider that allows you to control how see-through your shape will be. Use the slider, moving it from right to left to adjust the transparency. Sliding it to the left makes the shape more transparent, while moving it to the right makes it more opaque. Find the level of transparency that works best for your document, ensuring the underlying text remains readable while the shape still provides visible emphasis. With all your settings configured, it's time to apply the shape. Make a circle on your PDF text by clicking and dragging across the area you want to highlight. The shape will appear with all the properties you've just set, including your chosen transparency level. Finally, to ensure your changes are saved, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This preserves all your edits and ensures your transparent shape is permanently added to the document. You've now successfully added a transparent shape to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.